Next, we will edit the joint finished product grabbing and storage program. First, we need to edit the tool visibility. Turn off the visibility of the vacuum suction cup tool and turn on the visibility of the art jaw claw tool. Next, create a simulation program. First, record the home position. Then, in the left menu bar, find the positioner shaft under the Machines directory, right-click and select Properties. In the Parts tab, select Joint Finished Product, and click Move to. Next, first edit the approach point, record the work point, and modify the Z-axis value, raise 50 mm. Then, record the work point. Before grabbing, we need to retract assemble the cylinder telescopic rod, so set DO3 to on and wait for 2 seconds. Next, insert the pickup program to grab the joint finished product from the positioner shaft using UT1. Then, return to the approach point and back to the home position. Next, we will store the joint finished product. In the left menu bar, find the Fixtures directory, find the Stereoscopic Warehouse module, right-click and select Properties. In the Parts tab, select Joint Finished Product, and click Move to. Similarly, we need to add an approach point and a preparation point for the Stereoscopic Warehouse. Open the Teach pendant, confirm that the coordinate system is in world coordinates, and set the Teach pendant speed to 5%. Move the robot in the Z and Y directions, record the preparation point, and make fine adjustments. Then, move back to the placement point, record the position, and adjust the height to match the preparation point, making it the approach point. Next, record the work point. Insert the drop program to place the joint finished product from UT1 to the Stereoscopic Warehouse module. After completion, return to the approach point and then back to the preparation point. Finally, return to the home position. Now, we have completed the program for picking up and storing the joint finished product. Finally, we need a master program to run all previously edited programs in sequence. First, pick up the Art Jaw Claw tool. Then, grab the joint base. After placing the joint base, place the Art Jaw Claw tool. Next, pick up the flat nose claw tool. After picking up the flat nose claw tool, grab and assemble the motor finished product. After assembly, place the flat nose claw tool. Next, pick up the vacuum suction cup tool. Then, grab and assemble the reducer. After assembly, place the vacuum suction cup tool. Finally, pick up the Art Jaw Claw tool again, and complete the storage of the joint finished product. After storing, place the Art Jaw Claw tool. This is the entire assembly process.